Now, let's take all of this and apply it back to our compartment syndrome scenarios. Example 3. Flynn is being tested for compartment syndrome after intensive surgery to fix a broken bone. His doctor's tests reveal that he has a reading of 27.4, 28.2, 30.3, and 27.6. What is the average pressure reading? To answer this question, we first need to add up all the numbers. So we do this by lining up the decimals. So, $27.4, 28.2, 30.3, and 27.6. So, 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 15. We'll carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0 plus 7 is 23. And don't forget to bring that decimal down. So 3, and we'll carry that 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 11. So we have 113.5. But because there were 4 numbers, we need to divide by 4 to find the average. So 4 does not have any decimals, so we do not need to move any of the decimals. So 4 goes into 113.5. So to begin, we cannot go for going into 1 because 1 is too small. So 4 can go into 11, and 4 can go into 11 2 times. So 4 times 2 is 8. Now 11 minus 8 is 3. Now we carry down the 3. So 4 goes into 33 8 times. So 4 times 8 is 32. So we have 1. Now we bring down the 5. 4 goes into 15 3 times. Because 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 15 minus 12, which is 3. Now, because we're not done, we need to add some zeros. So we add a 0 after the 5 and bring it down. 4 goes into 30 8 times. Correction, 7 times. Because 4 times 7 is 28. If it was 8, then it would be 32, which is too large because we can't do that. So 4 can only go into 30 7 times. So 30 minus 28 is 2. Now, because we're not done, let's add another 0. So 4 goes into 20 5 times. So now 4 times 5 is 20, which equals 0. So now we're done. So now we need to just bring up that decimal and then we're really done. So our answer is 28.375. So Flynn has an average pressure of 28.375, which means that his body has not developed compartment syndrome at this time. And so, in conclusion, when dividing decimals, there cannot be a decimal in the front number. So if there is, you will need to move the decimal in both the divisor and the dividend. And when finding the average, you will need to add up the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. And lastly, when you run out of numbers, remember you can add zeros at the end to keep going.